Hi everyone, this is Katie with TEK Designs, and today I'm going to be showing you our August mystery kit, so I'm going to reveal that. I do want to let you know, if you're not subscribed to our mystery kit subscription, that we do have spots open now. So if you don't want to miss out on the next month's mystery kit, make sure to sign up for that. These kits are exclusive to the mystery kit, so you will not see it in our shop and we will not have any overstock for it. So for the mystery kit, we have 3 different size options. Today I only have 2, but I'll explain the third one. So we have our standard kit, and then we have our decorative kit, and our other kit is our journal kit. So for our journal kit, it looks a lot like the standard kit, except for the boxes aren't as wide because it's meant to fit Hobonichi Cousin Planner, the weekly section. And also the stickers on it have more of like a journal-ish aspect to it. If you want to see what our journal kit looks like, you can look at our last mystery kit reveal. So without further ado, I'm going to jump into the standard kit first. So first, with the standard kit, you get a bonus item. So this bonus item is on washi sticker paper, and the foil is gold. We have a couple of swatches, watercolor swatches, and then some gold accent pieces. It looks like some apples and some butterflies and some like flares. And then we also have some foil dividers on here that look pretty like magical looking and elegant. And then for the first page, we have the full boxes, and I'm taking a minute just to like look at all this artwork because it's so beautiful. I love the red and the blue against each other, how that really pops. It's like a nice introduction into the fall months coming up. So we have this beautiful horse with some florals kind of bordering him. And then we have a caramel apple on a stick, some rain boots, umbrella, and apples. House, it has like a sign that says apples. So it's like an apple patch. And we have some apple pie here with like a picnic outside. We have a truck filled with apples and then some like blankets and pillows like hanging out outside. And then we have a market scene here, an outdoor stand with apples. And then we have a butterfly and some like notes underneath it with some beautiful flowers and an apple down there. And then kind of looking at the gold accent pieces, I love that the apples is foiled. I love the little sparkles on the pie. Next we have our Monday through Sunday stickers and our washi tape. This accent here is like an apple, but it's like shaped as a heart almost. And then we just have like the apples down here with the butterflies. Next, we have our scallop dividers. Our bows are half scallop circles and thinner washi strips. I love how detailed the bows are with the patterns on it. Then we have a couple of other full boxes. We have some apple cider in a jar. And then over here, like pouring some hot apple cider. This might be cold cider, and this is like hot apple cider. Then we have a Monday through Sunday box. Over here we have some corner pieces and dots, our heart date dots, weekend script, and then some other accents and layering pieces. Then we have our flags, our 3 bow checklist boxes, some circles, and some other layering pieces, and like a nice movie sticker. I just love the red and the blue together. Then we have the functional page with some foiled accents on it as well. And in the middle, we have our habit trackers. So you can use these for like headings, and this for tracking your habits for the month. Then our headers and glitter headers to help organize your pages. We have the Fashion Girl boxes. I love the outfits. I love the hair. Over here, she looks like she's gathering apples so that she can maybe make a pie. And then this outfit is just like serving here with all the butterflies around her and apples. And then look how gorgeous this is with that off the shoulder kind of cardigan and like a dress and florals. And then lastly, we have a girl on like a swing outside. And then over here we have our icons, and then we have script for the month, urgent, YouTube, tasks, things up here like trash can, and shoes for tracking things. And then the last page is our deco page. So I'm loving the fall fits. I love the umbrella too. The checkered top. I have another horse here, a lantern, some sweet treats. So this is the standard kit for our August mystery. And next I'm going to show you a closer look at the decorative kit. So the decorative kit is on washi sticker paper. You get that bonus item again with this kit version. And for the first page, we have our box swatches with that same artwork that we saw from earlier, except for the cut is more looking like a torn pages rather than a straight cut edge for these stickers. And then our next swatch page, we have that scene, a couple of the girls, and then kind of like a layering piece. Then we have our borders. So I love the apple borders up here. That's really cute. It's very fall. And then below here we have, it looks like some apples maybe on some tree branches. And the foil here are our butterflies. Up here we have bows. Then we have our first decorative sheet where we have those fashion girls again. We have that horse, some butterflies. And then our second decorative page, we have more of those icons. We have more of that clip art that Dawn created with like the apples, the rain boots, the cider. The third decorative page, it looks a bit bigger, if you've noticed that. So we have like a barrel with apples and flowers. We have, it looks like a little time clock, pocket watch, some floral bunches. Then we have the scripts and dates. So we have 2 weeks for Monday through Sunday. And then we have a couple of scripts like to do, meals, errands, and appointment. And then down here we have 2 months of date dots. And then the last page is the terrible washi page. So this has kind of the background of like the apples with the greenery, and we have the butterflies flying around, and we have a shimmery gold overlay foil on here with some bows. And this purpose is you're supposed to kind of go at the top to grab the sticker and then tear it kind of like how you want it. However you want it to look in your planner. You can create shapes as you're tearing it. Or you could literally just take this whole thing off and put it in your planner too if you just like the design. So this is the decorative kit. And then, like I told you before, we don't have an extra to show for the journal kit. However, if you check our last month's unboxing, you can see what it would look like. Of course, just the artwork looks different. So again, if you're not signed up for our mystery kit subscription, make sure to click the link below in the description to check more out about what it is, how much it is, and the details of it. And if you're interested and you don't want to miss out on next month's, make sure to subscribe. If you have any questions at all about the mystery kit subscription, you can comment them below. Let me know what you think of this month's mystery. We love to hear your feedback. I will be doing a spread with the mystery kit soon, so make sure to subscribe to our YouTube page so that you don't miss out on the spread, and also so you don't miss out on other unboxings and DEK Designs news. Thank you so much for supporting us and stopping by our channel, and I'll see you all again next time when I show you my planner spread with this. Thank you.